wake up?
Yeah.
You missing some good TV.
Change it.
I'm changing this. This is the best.
Change it.
To what? Come on, this is good.
Oh, there's a plane crashed in Tanzania. Go flying into the lake.
I wanted to meet with him, get sexy with him, or whatever he said. No, don't do. Oh, come on.
He's the kind of guy that would drink a gallon of pissing so he could piss in your toothbrush and he could piss wearing a pair of bikini underwear. The military has an operation at the Arctic Circle with this guy pissing. Tomorrow afternoon, he's going to show up at your poolside with a fist wearing a pair of bikini underwear, a gallon of gasoline. The military has an operation that can't fail. They call this guy in pissing the troops, okay?
Humpty Dumpty. Hump me up. I humped all the horses. I humped all the king's men. Together, I came to tell somebody, I don't know, black.
I'm scared. Look at me. You look. Yo, shh. I've been watching you all night and yo, shh. See, you don't try to help it. My dad tell him, yeah! Scary. Relationships with so many dogs. Relationship with my dad. Yeah!
I love. No. Love. The police came.
To hell. I'm gonna pray they die.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere.